Alright guys, another update video. Last video he's pretty much finishing up what was left. Now it's pretty much all done. The only thing I really gotta do is put the hood on. But we just been driving around just to make sure everything's good and whatever. As you can see, it's back on the ground. After we did take it for a test drive, you can see kinda, I mean, there's, you can get your, like, your hand in there, but before, you can see like how bad it ate up the tires on the other springs we had on it. I'm not really sure what size was on it, actually. That's the front spring. Yeah, we had, these are the new springs, 16 by 150 pound. I think we had 12 or 4, no, we had 14 high springs on it, and we couldn't get enough lift out of them, so we had to go to a 16, which now, I don't know if you can see that or not, but now we're only about like halfway up on the threads on a coilover, so we got plenty of adjustment like up and down. We still got like 2 inches or maybe 3 inches each way, and then the front springs are pretty much lowered as much as they'll go, so I got 2-inch shorter springs for them. So again, it'll be like in the middle, like we can go up or down on it then. Pretty much the whole interior is completely done. We did get the relay box. Hold on, let me get a flashlight. You see, we got the relay box in there, pretty much tied up and everything. Laptop's in there. No bunch of other crap, tire gauge, new serpentine belt, and all that kind of stuff. I am keeping my 3.5-inch touchscreen in here just in case something happens with the laptop, like the battery dies or whatever. But interior's done. Like I said, we have been taking it up the road and back a couple times. For actually being on coilovers, it actually don't ride bad at all. I mean, it's a little bumpy, but it honestly ain't bad. We did have to pull the headlights out and do an alignment. It was pretty bad. Now the headlights are actually up where they're supposed to be. But yeah, I really don't know what else to put in the update other than it's done, and we've just been putting a couple of brake-in miles on it here and there. I mean, I have been sick for like a little over a week now, so finally starting to get over that. And then I finally bought a new filter, and we started working on getting a new cold air intake on that. So slowly starting to knock out the little stuff. But yeah, other than that, I really don't know what else to say. I got the Banshee back. Hopefully it'll last more than 2 hours this time. Since I really can't convince Jimmy to make a YouTube channel, I think whenever he gets back from his anniversary, I think we're going to start putting his car together. Finally got his block back from machine shop, so while he's gone, I'm probably gonna come out here one day, maybe tomorrow. I got like an engine brush kit from Moroso that I use for mine. Probably run some like hot soapy water in it, get like any debris out of it, blow it out real good with an air hose, and probably go ahead and start painting the block. He's got his like whole rotating assembly and everything, so we pretty much have almost everything to put his bottom end together for his. The only thing we need is the timing chain, double rolling timer chain, and cam. But other than that, we're getting ready to start putting his together, so who knows, there might be another Fox on the channel. I didn't even remember, we did do kind of a makeover with a garage. Kind of moved everything around. It's messy again, but it's a garage and it gets freaking used, so not really sure what to say. But yeah, the car's done. Putting some braking miles on it. Hopefully have the O2 back this weekend. So I guess I'll put a couple videos of actually driving it. The one I took with a GoPro on the side, it's kind of it's a good video, but the sound on it from the wind is horrible, so I don't know if I'm going to put that in there yet or not. But I actually got Mom to ride in it, and she took a video, so put that in here too. But that's pretty much all I got. I done videos here to the end. But if you guys want to follow the build, click the subscribe button, like, comment, and thanks for watching. See you next update.